Hello and welcome back to the channel. What we have today is a Minn Kota rear mount trolling motor, and it's not working right. Doesn't have any power when you turn the handle here. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what's wrong, help y'all maybe fix it. We'll start by taking the 6 Phillips screws off that hold the top plate on. So as I twist the handle, there's nothing really stopping it from moving. It's not like it's jammed or anything. So I believe the problem is this here. We're gonna test it. The foot still spins, so there's no problem with that, I believe. But let's see here. Let's get a meter on it. We're gonna test the wires, 2 wires going down to the motor. You should get a low resistance reading. And let's see. We have a black and red wire here. So we're gonna test resistance between these 2 terminals here. All right, set your meter to ohms, and we'll just test the 2 main wires, see what we get for resistance. 1 ohm, so that's really good. That's low. You want to have a low resistance reading on that motor. Make sure it's not shorted out or burnt up or something. High resistance means something's not right on that lower end. So let's see. If I hook 12 volts up to this, the motor should spin. This seems to be the problem, the selector here. So I have a new one. You can get it on Amazon. We'll try putting this on. This was $17 part. Let's see if she fixes it. That tells me my motor's good, so that's why I went ahead and bought this. You can also hook it up to a battery and test. See if you have 12 volts between these 2 terminals. This is just your big wires coming in from your battery. If you have 12 volts here and you don't have it coming out, this is your problem. So let's get this new piece on. Okay. All right, we'll test her before I go putting this top back on. I'm just gonna jump her off with a drill battery here. See if this test is 12 volts, so it should work. That seemed to do it. This is a pretty cheap part, so it's worth a try. It's just what to check if you want to eliminate the bottom part before you go ordering pieces. This seemed to do it. You put the top back on and get her back in the water. Hope this helps.